Alright, here are the quick little stop. Heading out to our first outing of the year. Check it out, see if we can do it without getting rained out.
New adventure time. This weekend we are going to Palmetto State Park, which is in Gonzales, Texas, right outside of Luling. And we're going there for the weekend. It's supposed to rain the whole weekend, but that's all right. We're gonna have a good time. Maybe do a little sightseeing.
This stuff wasn't supposed to hit till tomorrow. Alright, so we made it into Palmetto State Park last night. Kind of quiet because it's still early this morning. It's like 8 o'clock. Nobody's up yet. Getting coffee going. Yeah, the drive down in here, even though it was dark, it's a real pretty drive coming down into this park. I really recommend it so far, and we haven't done anything. So let me kind of show you around here a little bit, and then we're going to take some hikes. It's a good park for hiking and such. And we heard the coyotes last night and turkeys this morning. Ought to be a fun stay. So I'll show you around just a little bit. Yep, HandK, living life. Here's my honey over here, fixing breakfast.
Got a little frog in my throat.
What are we having this morning? Oh, you making those cheesy hash brown things?
Yes, I am. I am.
Ooh.
You take hash browns.
We'll have to check them out.
Hash browns and veggies and diced ham and egg, all rolled up in hash browns.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
All right. Oh yeah, Mike and Teresa's with us. Somebody's coming out of the cabin over there. Mr. ZZ, you stay. So, let's see here. That's where we came in from. So it's just a small loop here. Really small loop. You can see how it goes around and goes over there. Comes across that backside right there and on around and back up around where we came in. It's a small loop. I'm not sure how many it holds. I'll have to put that in the caption. But yeah, we're here. We're set up, ready for the rain to hit us. And yeah, more to come on the trails. Here we are, fixing to begin our hike down the San Marcos River Trail at Palmetto State Park. It'll be that trail right there, around our camping sites. Here we go. So this walk is about, what'd I say, mile and a quarter?
Yeah, a mile and a quarter.
And it follows the San Marcos River.
And then we'll drive up to the...
Come on and get on damn park maps out here. Hey. He's waving it up. He's videoing us back here talking bad stuff about the park.
Where'd everybody go? Oh, there they are. Look at there. Hi, y'all.
Hey, man, what are you doing in that tree?
Now look at this mess of trees over here. All grown together. That's pretty nifty. That is pretty nifty. Yeah, that's pretty nifty right there.
Uh-huh. Cool.
These are, what do they call these? River? They were talking about them. It's on the map. We just got through looking at it. River,
That is really cool. River oak.
is it River Oak?
It looks like an oak. It does.
My dog got me tangled up. All right, let's go.
Maybe that's what it's called, River Oak. I know they were talking about the. Isn't that cool?
Trail keeps going that way. We're gonna check this out. Hey, Zizi, come here. Yep. So this is a part of the San Marcos River you don't normally see. Just barely moving. Yep, just barely moving. Alright, nope, come here. You don't need to go down there. I'm not going down after you. Come here. No. Alright, let's go back. Alright. I did not bring a spare battery with me, and I'm down to 8%, so this will probably be the end of this trail.
Yeah, those are expensive.
We'll catch you back at camp. Besides the palmettos, you may also see rattlesnakes, harvest butterflies, prothonotary warbler for you bird watchers, swamp rabbits, and you may even get a very rare glimpse of the Autine swamp thing, more commonly known as the friendly neighborhood Bigfoot. So Palmetto State Park office, right here, is located right smack next to a little town called Autine. Now, Autine was named in 1879 by combining the names of the founding settlers, Adolph Otto and his wife Christine. Previously, the settlement had been known as Otto's Mill, and briefly, when the railroad arrived, as Otto's Station. Otto built the town's first enterprise, a water gin, which took advantage of the natural sulfur springs found in the nearby swamp. Well, I would say Palmetto State Park is not a place to come in the summertime, because I bet you the mosquitoes are nasty, nasty, nasty up here.
It stinks since the early 1970s. Mud boils.
Site of mud boils. Due to the water table being lowered over the years, the actual mud boils have gone extinct since 1970, and the springs need extra help in the way of pumps. This recreation was done by the CCC as a glimpse into what the real ones used to look like. Artesian well at Palmetto State Park. Yeah, you can't quite smell the sulfur through the foam, but it comes up everywhere. On up into that pond right there. Pond right there. Whew. Feeds on around and feeds on out into the river. Miss Katrina and Miss Easy out for a stroll while I was over looking at the fountains. Dancing a little dance.
Palmetto State Park, most excellent place. I would recommend it being a fall or a spring camping trip. There's a lot of trees, very little breeze.
If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.